Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix the Best Buy app not loading. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to launch the Best Buy app, but it's not loading. How do you actually go ahead and fix it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So there's multiple ways you could actually fix this. The first way is if you go ahead and open up your Best Buy app, and let's say it's not loading, on an iPhone device, you could actually scroll up, and what'll happen is that you're going to go ahead and see this window here. You can go ahead and hold it and scroll up again. So what that's going to do is that's going to reset the Best Buy app and then go ahead and try loading it up again. Now, if that still continues to not work, do some basic things as far as making sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi or you have a solid connection. I was at the Best Buy store and my connection isn't the best at the Best Buy store. And so with it, you should just go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi so that you can open up your Best Buy app. Now, as a last resort, what you could also do is that if you open up the Best Buy app and hold it down, you could actually delete the app as well, and then go ahead and reinstall it and see if that works. So simply just delete the app and then reinstall it from the App Store and see if that works. But of those three methods, that should be able to go ahead and fix your Best Buy app not loading. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.